This video will provide a visual demonstration on how to add various resources to your online course. A resource is an item that an instructor can use to support learning. The four commonly used resources are a label, a file, a folder, and a URL. Whichever resource you plan on adding to your course, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn editing on. Turn editing on icon is located at the top right-hand portion of your screen. And once turn editing is on, you will see the various icons that you can use to edit your page. I'm going to scroll down to where we're going to actually put our resources in the page. What I'm going to do now is I am going to add a label. So I'm going to add a resource, then I'm going to come down to label, and I'm going to put a label that's called to-do list. I'm going to highlight that text, and I'm going to make it bold and underline, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to save and return to my course. And what this is going to do is it's going to provide the introductory little module, and then underneath the introduction, although this is very short, it's going to say to-do list. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to add another resource, and this time I'm going to add a file. And this particular file, I am going to say I want it to be called Read Course Syllabus. I've typed in a brief description which says please print the course syllabus for future reference. I'm going to come down to Content, and I'm going to select the Add icon. I'm going to select Upload a File, and I'm going to Browse. And then I'm going to go to where I know my syllabus is stored, and I am going to select my online syllabus. And I'm going to upload this file. And once I press upload this file, you will see the file name here under the Add Content. I'm going to scroll back down, and I'm going to save and return to the course. And once I press save and return to the course, you will again see, now you see the label to-do list, and you see the file called Read Course Syllabus. Another resource that I use quite often is to add a folder to my page. So what I would do is I would come to Add a Resource, select Folder, and I usually title my folders Student Data Files. And I do this because I want to have more than one file available for the student, and this allows an easy way for me to have a place to put multiple files. Now I've typed a brief description as to what I want the student to do. Now in this case, I'm going to add 3 files. I'm going to press Add, and I'm going to upload, and I'm going to browse, and this time I'm going to add my Word assignment sheet, upload the file. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add my Excel assignment sheet, and I'm going to add a third file, which is my Access assignment sheet. Now in this case, this is just for example purposes, but these may be various files, all of which the student may not need to use all of them. But in this case, I've got 3 files in here, and it makes it a little bit easier to view. And now what I would do is save and return to the course. And now I have my label, I have my one file, and then if I double click on this folder, I will now see the 3 assignments that I have within the folder. It's a little cleaner way sometimes to actually show your work to your students. And the last one we're going to do is a URL, and we'll come back and do that in the next video.